Hello everyone! Today I will be doing a little coffee table styling. So at the beginning of the year, I like to refresh my home, and sometimes I like to add a new color. And so this year I'm adding a touch of black. Not in every room, but in one of my main spaces. You will still see my neutral color palette, but it's going to be warmer and with touches of black. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are here in my living room, and I want to give the living room a little bit more of a casual feel. So I still love my glam or elegance, but it will be in smaller doses and in a more casual way. So my first look was inspired by Restoration Hardware. Now at Restoration Hardware, they like to use very simple decor. So one of the ideas that I got when I was there was a coffee table book opened to a beautiful scenery. And I just thought that was very elegant and simple. And so I thought I would come home and try it, but I wanted to try my setting with just a little bit more decor. So while I was on my outing at Restoration Hardware, I stopped at Barnes & Noble and picked up this beautiful coffee table book. And it's called The Beauty of Home. And it has some beautiful designs inside, and so I thought this would be a good one to pick up and just kind of get into the details of how and why they design and style rooms. And so I'm going to use this here, like I said, just opened up to a beautiful page. Okay, so I think this look is nice and casual. It's bringing in a little bit of black, and it's a simple decor style if you have a TV in the room that you need a low profile centerpiece. Now, if you desire a little more height, you can switch out the black box for a pretty vase. And this is where the little bling comes in at. Just one piece. You notice how the book says simplicity? That's what I'm going for. Now, if you are fortunate enough to be near a Restoration Hardware, they have beautiful catalogs and they can be used as coffee table books as well. And then this Ethan Allen book was a thrifted find. So in keeping with the simplicity look, I have this beautiful bowl that I picked up last year from a local store, and I think it looks fabulous just on its own with a simple branch inside. Now I have seen this same pot on different websites, so if I can find it, I will link it below. But I think it's just simple and understated and beautiful. Okay, so here's another simple but very pretty idea. So I picked up this wire bowl from Home Goods, and then the ornament balls came from various stores. I think 2 came from Pier 1 years ago, and then if I'm not mistaken, well, I think they all came from Pier 1 actually. And it's very simple and no fuss. And things are going a little bit more simple, guys. So if you can get into this, this is less money, you know, it's less expensive. You don't have to buy a lot. And it still, if you get pieces that are on the larger side, it will have more of an impact. Now, if you need more decor, here's a different version. Okay, so these stems here came from Hobby Lobby, and the book came from Home Goods. And then this little bowl, I think came from Target, and I'm not real sure where I got the links. It'll come to me and I'll put it on the screen. Now these are short picks, and they came from the aisle where you get the fruit, the faux fruit and bread. And so these never go on sale, unlike the long stems are 50% off, but the price was not bad. It was $1.29 a stem. So I thought I would try black in the living room. What do you guys think? And so here's another look. I just took the book away and added an orb. Now I did hear someone say not to do the orbs. They were not a designer, but that was their personal opinion. So I feel like if you like this type of thing, go ahead and decorate with it. I think they add texture and interest to your coffee table styling. Okay, and this is for you guys who just need a little bit more on your coffee table. So guys, if I didn't mention it before, these beads are from Target, and I believe they are by Studio McGee, and they are made of ceramic.